This video is to show you copy, pasting, and selecting all on a Mac computer. This comes in handy when you might want to take something from, let's say, an email and have it be somewhere else, let's say like notes on your computer. The way that we can do that is copy the information from our email and put it into notes. So we're going to jump in and do that. There's actually a couple different ways to do it, but I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts, which are basically things that you press on the keyboard to do the action that we want. So over here on the left, I have my email. This is some information that I might want to copy and save somewhere else on my computer. We're going to copy that and put it over here into notes. So how we're going to do that is one way that we can choose what we want to take and copy. So we're going to take our mouse, we're going to click, and you can do that on the trackpad or on an external mouse. You're going to click and hold and then drag so that you end up highlighting. Now, if you want to select everything that is on that area, what we're going to do is click on the email. We will know that we were on the email where on the top left it shows Mail. I'm using the program Mail. So on the left, what I'm going to do is I can press Command and then A. So I'm going to press Command on my keyboard. It's next to the space bar. I'm going to hold that and then press A. You can see it's selected all of that information. Another way was to take my finger on my keyboard and click and drag to do that. Once you have that selected, you can press Command, hold that, and then C. That will copy it, and it kind of copies it into a clipboard, or you can kind of think of it as like the abyss. It's taking that information, holding on to it until we go put it somewhere. So now we need to go paste whatever it is that we copied and put it somewhere. So you can't see that it's copied anywhere, where basically it's hidden. So I copied it, and then I'm going to go over to Notes, and I'm going to click on that. On the top left, you can see that it says Notes now. I'm going to press Enter to give some spaces. And now I'm going to press Command and hold that, and then V. And notice how it put the words on there that I had over here on the left in my email. So I copied, I pasted, and I selected all. It's a nice, easy way for you to be able to move things around. I hope that helps. Let me know if you've got any other questions. And yeah.